Do you want to track your incomes and expenses? Are you looking for personal finance analysis tool that is completely offline and under your control? 747 Developments created nice-looking Finance Dash app which is fully offline and under user control. It is based on Python and Dash course, so it is cross-platform with nice-looking interactive web-based dashboard. Let's take a look. You will need to install Python version 3 and several required dependencies. All instructions can be found in manual shared on the website. You will get also access to the full code, so if you have any programming skills, you can modify the app to fit your specific needs. Finance Dash app will open in web browser. It has several tabs for your detailed analysis. You can interactively select or deselect data you want to visualize. On the dashboard you will also see the tables with total incomes and expenses by category. You can set up as many categories as you want. In the monthly tab you will find interactive overview about your incomes and expenses for each month, also selectable by category. Dash app also provides detailed tables with all your transactions placed to incomes and expenses. You can filter the tables as you wish to easily find your desired transactions, as you can see in the video. Account tab will provide you actual balance status on your bank accounts or cash, or any other institution you add to your database. You can also select data based on date range, and interactive dashboard with tables will automatically update, so you will see your finance status at certain period of time. You can find detailed manual on the website with all the settings and necessary steps to successfully run the app. Hope you find Finance Dash app interesting. If you have at least some Python programming skills, you can modify the source code of this app to fit your needs.